Hi there, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Today, let's talk about visualization. We all know why visualization is so powerful. Well, the first thing that happens when you visualize is you raise your vibration. You raise your vibration to the level that you would actually have been had you achieved your goal. And the most important part of the visualization process is that the brain does not know that this is actually not happening in reality. So every time you give a thought to something, you start focusing on something, and the brain facilitates a vibration in the body. So imagine when you are visualizing something that you want to experience and you're spending few seconds focusing on having it in your life. That is really the key to successful and powerful visualization. Keeping it short. So here is a suggestion. Do not visualize for over a minute at a time, because after a minute or so, the brain begins to catch that this is not happening in reality. Studies on the subconscious mind tell us that after few seconds of visualizing, you actually start getting some counter thoughts. For example, you're visualizing for maybe buying a new car, and as you're visualizing, maybe for a longer time, longer than a minute or so, you may be getting some counter thoughts which you may notice. For example, but how is this going to be possible? Where is the money going to come from? So, to ensure that you don't get these counter thoughts and intentions, keep your visualization short. This will ensure that your visualization is really successful. Second thing that we can keep in mind to make visualization very successful is try to picture yourself in the same manner every time you visualize. For example, if you are receiving an award and you're wearing colored clothes, your favorite color clothes, see yourself wearing the same clothes every time you visualize. And third important point is try to hold up a conversation in the visualization. For example, what is the speech you would make when you would receive an award? What would you say to your parents if you would surprise them with your new car? So a conversation in your visualization makes it very real, not just for your brain, but for the subconscious mind that is going to continue to repeat and process these words that you have spoken, because you're going to be passing very strong vibrations. Think about it that way. You go watch a movie, a lot of the times we come back recalling a lot of dialogues from the movie. It works the same with the subconscious mind. It catches on to the words that you were visualizing and imagining speaking. Next point to make visualization very successful, most important ingredient in the whole process of visualization really is feeling good, then visualizing. So imagine you are visualizing something really wonderful you want, but you're not feeling it from within, simply because you don't seem to be in the best of moods. When you're not feeling good, whatever it is that is the reason for you not feeling good is going to occupy your mind. This means you are not going to be able to visualize powerfully and effectively. The solution is first focus on feeling good and then start your visualization. This will ensure that your visualization becomes a reality very quickly. Some simple things you could do to start feeling good is maybe make a phone call to someone you like talking to, divert your mind for a few seconds, or best, just walk around. Maybe go outside. If not outside, then simply walk around your home. Exercise a little. Just take 5-10 minutes, exercise, do some nice deep breathing. Get into a better feeling mode and mood, and then start to visualize. This is really going to go a long way in making you become a great and a strong manifestator of your dreams. So let's keep these simple points, very, very powerful ones, in mind that will impact your visualization and even your success. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it and share it with others and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tools. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.